Top 5 Best Commercial Blender. Number 5. Nutri Ninja Mega 1200 Watts Kitchen System. Here's another fun, functional option from the Ninja brand. It comes with 8 different pieces to process, pour, and store with one kit. The 1200 watt blender has Auto IQ technology. According to Nutri Ninja, Auto IQ times blending, pulsing, and pausing for a better recipe. The Pro Exactor blades can handle everything from vegetables to nuts, according to verified customer reviews. The 8 Cuban pesos capacity handles larger recipes and drinks. For grab-and-go smoothies and iced coffees, attach one of the cups, included in the kit, blend your recipe, remove and cap. Reviewers say you can't beat the versatility and convenience. This model is the perfect crossover between home entertaining and smaller servings for the whole family. Coming in number 4. Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. The Blendtec has been a go-to for home chefs for some time, and recent reviews support that it's still outperforming many other models. This blender has a lot to offer. It has single touch buttons, 10-speed manual control and 6 pre-programmed cycles. Choose blend, pulse, and variable speeds to achieve just the right texture for your recipes. The Blendtec also features patented blades that are 80% thicker than some comparable commercial blenders. That makes them tougher, nearly unbreakable, and faster to chop and blend. Another aspect verified reviewers are excited about is the self-cleaning feature. With minimal dishwashing liquid and a touch, the container self-cleans in about 1 minute. This model is an all-around fantastic buy, with all the features you need for your smaller or larger recipes. Coming in number 3. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Ideal for slender spaces or on a business counter, this model is sleek and tall. It has a professional 64-ounce capacity perfect for larger batches. One truly cool feature of the Vitamix 5200 is that the friction caused by the blade speeds can heat up cold items such as soup. Add ingredients and heat to a ready temperature in minutes. Another feature customers like is that the 5200 is self-cleaning. Add a drop of detergent and have a clean container in just 60 seconds. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are made to last. Rotate the dial and adjust the speed at any point during the blend. This model adjusts seamlessly. A radial cooling fan means the unit won't overheat, even with longer-term use per recipe. Coming in number 2. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Vitamix made our list again with this great performer. It has a traditional but upscale look and has a 64-ounce capacity to blend larger recipe batches. The A3500 carries the trusted Vitamix name and has hundreds of positive reviews from verified customers. The container is low profile to fit easily under most standard cabinets. This makes it perfect for those who want professional quality for home use. The price is great, but Vitamix definitely didn't skimp on technology with this blender. The stainless steel blades are aircraft grade. The motor maintains consistent torque so the unit stays cool even during frequent use. And for aesthetics, it comes in a variety of color choices. With all these features, the A3500 is a win all around. Coming in number 1. Blendtec Professional 800 Blender. Here's another great option from Blendtec. Customers say it's extraordinarily durable. That's partially due to the 80% thicker blades, according to Blendtec. This translates to 10 times more strength than many home or commercial blenders. The Pro 800 reaches 3.8 horsepower at its peak. It operates at any of 11 different speeds, easily controlled by a touch slider. The blender is made of materials that are environmentally friendly as compared to some kitchen appliances. The plastics used in this model are BPA-free, for example. That's a huge plus to home users. The model is US made and comes with a 10-year comprehensive warranty when purchased for home use.